Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to sell your website and make money. So in this video, I will walk you through the process of selling your website for a profit. Alright, so let's start by looking at where you can sell your website. The first platform I recommend is Flippa. This is one of the most popular marketplaces for buying and selling websites. And it is also one of the most popular for like you can buy domains and any other online business you can sell here. And Flipper makes it easy to list your website for a sale and it provides a huge audience of potential buyers. Uh, to get started, you need to create an account to sign up here and then fill in the details they need like your website URL, income. More. I'm going to show you just the basics here. So once you're logged in, click on the sale button, right? You can also get a free evaluation from this one or say click on this link to start selling directly. Alright, this will take you to the listing form where you can provide details about your website. Now, another great site to consider is Empire Flippers. Now, this one is for the big guys here, right? That want to sell sites for more than $100,000. Now, this site especially, as I said before, money you can only find higher value websites and online businesses here. And Empire Flippers typically requires a bit more verification and documentation. As you can see, some are more than 1 million. And to sell on Empire Flippers, just simply to click get started, sign up with your Google account or email, and then list your site. Now, they will guide you through the process of listing your website and even offer a free evaluation of your business. Now, before listing your website, you will want to make sure it's ready for sale, right? So, the first thing to do is check your website performance. They will see the income of the last 6 months and average that income and will give you a price based on the average income. All right, you can sometimes sell for 30x to 40x of your average income. Also, and make sure you have a Google Analytics set up, Search Console set up, and have all the proof of income. If you are monetizing with ads, affiliate links, or products, be sure to provide your proof of income in video format and also in image format. Alright. Um, Make sure you include screenshots of your earnings for the last few months or even years, as this adds credibility to your listing and they are also a required in both platforms. And once you have all your data ready, it's time to create a listing. Provide a detailed description of your website, including how it makes money, how much traffic it gets. Like they will see if, for example, if I am a buyer, right, I'll come to this section and see all the details here, like what type of site it is, what the niche, the monetization method, site age, net profit, a bit of detail about this one, how much should I like spend to get this one, and you can bid. The buyers can bid, and the highest bidder will get the site. And make sure you're honest and transparent about your website's potential growth, right? So as you can see, you can not only sell websites, but you can also sell your YouTube channel and other any other online businesses here. You can see this automotive YouTube channel makes $3,000 a month. Is it selling for 87,000? I guess 3 into for 30, close to 30x, right? And make sure you set a price by comparing what the other listings. And if you're not sure, both Flippa and Empire Flippers will offer guidance on pricing. And when you price your website correctly, you will start receiving offers from potential buyers. It's important to negotiate if necessary. Like they will knock you through this platform to get more details if you haven't, if you like somehow missed any info. And there is no rush into accepting the first offer unless it's the right one for you. And once you've agreed on the price, you can transfer the website and finalize the sale. You receive your payment, and just like that, you have sold your website and made money. Keep in mind that the percentage the marketplace will cut will depend. For example, Flippa has a listing fee, Ample Flippers maybe not. I guess I forgot. But they will charge, I think, 20% to 15% to 20% depending on the business. So, and that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process of selling a website. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your sale.